We had a seized up latch for the third door on this Silverado. So what I had to do is come in from the rocker, which is getting replaced anyway. I had to cut all of that out so the grinder would fit up behind it while the door was shut, and take and cut the striker plate bar in half to get the door open. So here's the damn latch. You can see, man, it was pretty fucked up. Pretty fucked up as far as corrosion goes. But they only run like 30 bucks. Then I think the strike plate is, I looked it up just at one spot real quick. It was like another 25 or 30. So altogether, I think it took me, with the rain, because I had to take a rain break, took me about 2 hours. Once I figured out what I had to do. But this is where the latch sits. Goes in there like that. If you can see it. Nope, you can't see it. Let's see. Let's see it. Fucking night. Anyway. Any other time the goddamn light will be on. There we go. See it sitting down in there. Sits on these 4 bolts. Like so. Going again. Here we go. And the rod attaches to a plastic clip that goes. Man, this bullshit. I'm trying to get light back so I can show you guys. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. But the rod attaches to the end of the latch, activated by the handle. Flips it up, pulls this up, and pulls the bottom one down simultaneously to release the latches. So anyway, it's out. Third door is open. Had to get that open so I could replace the rockers. So now we can order the rockers and get that shit taken care of. Same thing on the other side. I guess I'll walk around and show you. This is the type of shit I love doing. I love it. We got that coming. Cab corner, the whole panel right there. Sun again. And this rocker over here also. Gas cap. That surface, I ain't gonna replace the whole cap unless I go to the junkyard and get it. Matter of fact, I'll just knock that bubble up out of there and prime it. Fill it, prime it. And then get painted with the rest of the truck. Then we got the quarters on the bed, and that ain't shit. And you also got inner wheel wells. Knock the spot wheels out and put the new one in there. Easy work. Then I went and picked up a bumper for it about 2 days ago. This one was rusted through, so I grabbed another bumper for like $40. It was already off of the truck. Can't beat that. And it has no rust. Matter of fact, it's in the van. My screen is shitty. But anyway, yep. Nice bumper for it. Then he also had another hitch, because this one here is it's in bad shape in a couple of spots. Can't hook a trail onto that shit. So went on to yap that up. I spent like 80 bucks for the bumper and for the hitch. Sweet deal. So yeah. Then like I said, you got this quarter over it too. And the same thing with the inner wheel well. This one ain't as bad as the other one, not as far as being all the way back. So what I probably do is, instead of popping the spot wells, I just take it and half it all the way up and around, and put the other one in, you know, the other new half in. It'd be the easiest thing to do. Yeah, this cab quarter back here, usual shit. So we on it, man. I'm gonna holler at you.